Hi friends, let's read The Flying Factory. So let's start. The Flying Factory. Greg, Amaya, and Connor are walking in the city. A metal street lamp is missing. They know Romeo must be up to no good. Connor becomes Catboy. Greg becomes Gecko. Amaya becomes Owlet. They are the PJMASKS. Owlet uses her owl eyes to look for the metal parts. Owlet spots a big factory in the forest. Its tube sucks in street lamps and other metal things. Romeo appears from inside the factory. What is his plan? Many robots guard the factory. They just look like PJ Robot. Owlet has an idea. PJ Robot can dress up and spy on Romeo. PJ Robot enters the factory. He sees a large control room. Then Romeo tests all his robots. PJ Robots get caught. The factory begins to shake. He lifts off the ground and into the sky. Leaping lizard, says Gecko. That is a flying factory. It is getting away, Cowboy yells. Romeo is using the metal parts from the factory for his flying factory. The factory is releasing big clouds of gunk. They spread all over the city. I will not take the clouds away until everyone obeys me forever, Romeo said. It is time to be a hero, Owlet shouts. Owlet saves PJ Robot. Gecko distracts Romeo and his robots. Owlet changes the controls. The tube starts to whir. It sucks in all the clouds. The sky is clear again. The PJMASKS have defeated Romeo and his flying factory. The PJMASKS all shout hooray because in the night they saved the day and the sky. The end. I hope you like this video. See you in the next video. Bye.